will be reviewing Dinosaur headquarters. This is set 5887. It came with a helicopter. You can spin the blades and fit a minifig in there. I don't really have them here, and there's also flick fire missile. Excuse me. You can flick it at the dinosaur. Fire! And here's a velociraptor, which I got with another set. Actually this is the one with this set, but I got a green one like this one, except the same size. This one was just in plastic. It has a bump so you can do this. Put the pterodactyl as his umbrella. And here's a bike. Here's a speeder. Here's a car, but I have to call it a bike, so I'm going to call it a bike. You can attach this, which I got with another set, and the pterodactyl came with another set, but it's pretty good. Oh wow! Where's that? What's that missile? I'm looking for a missile. This missile. A missile which looks like this. There's also a radio which always falls off, and there's a little bay which you can take out and put back in. And there's this, and your top can come off. There's a little bridge just stay there. There's a little gate which you can open up by this winch. You can open it and then close it. So there and there. And there's a little crane. And right now I'm missing a missile. The crane is meant to hold a net, and you can open up the cage so you can let the dinosaurs escape. I need to escape. The mouth can open, and I'm just going to show you how you put this head together. So the head is 2 pieces. Then you clip it in. And then put it into the body. And it's really hard putting it into the body. Yes. That almost falls off. The pterodactyl also comes in pieces. So the bottom jaw and the wings. And the top part of the jaw. Then first you put the top part of the jaws, then you put the wings, then you put the bottom of the jaw. And the pieces always fall off. That is why I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down. these always fall off whenever I build these. And I've mentioned the vehicle, but I haven't mentioned one thing. This can move, and you have a missile, exactly the same to the others. And there's like, there you are. You can like, I built this other thing, which is the same thing, just not part of it. And it's like a vehicle and it has 2 missiles, but I like it with 1. And this gets broken a lot. That gets broken a lot. And you have to push this down really hard. Okay, so you can lift this one up and down. And it also comes with these spikes. And this holds a winch, this holds that. And now I'm going to show you the box. This is set 5887 and it's ages 9 to 12. 6 to 12.
And the back?
And on the back it shows a few scenes, and it also shows some functions on it. It shows the rising date, the missiles, and that's the net I was talking about, and you capture this dinosaur. And you also can take this off to put there, the person, but I prefer it just to be on there. And here's the dinosaurs running away, and that's the pilot inside the plane. I know it looks kind of a little bit different. That's because of this and the handles. But everything else is fine because I can't find the handles and I lost one of them, so I preferred to use these medicine things, but then I lost one and I have no idea where it is. And the last thing which I like about this set is that you can take the top off, so you can put a minifigure down there, so you can pretend that they're relaxing and then you can go dum 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 and pretend they're talking. This didn't really come with it, but you can just, I like to put it there. And there's also a person who operates the crane, which is that crane there. The girl's meant to be operating it, and it can move around 80 degrees. But if you have this there, you have to move this up like this to get around.
Okay.
Unless that falls off and you don't notice. I just put these control panels. You can't see them, but you will now. These control panels, and there's a thermometer, and I don't know what those 2 things are. That and that, I don't know what they are. What?
Okay.
Thanks for watching my video. And watch out for more dinosaur reviews.